Dear students, yesterday we have completed number systems in basics classes. Today we are going to complete this algebra. This is also basic class only. Let us see algebra basics. Okay. In algebra, see first we go expression rather than equation. 2x plus 4. This is an expression. If you write 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, this is going to be called as equation. Okay, why? Because equal to symbol is there, equal to sign is there. When equal to sign is there, that is going to be called as equation. When equal to sign is not there, that is going to be called as expression. Okay, now let us write another equation. Say x square plus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is also equation. Equal to is there, but this is quadratic equation. Linear equation, quadratic equation. X power 1 is there, linear equation. X power 2 is there, quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us find x here. 2x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 2, that is equal to minus 2. Okay. Here x value has come, but here x value will not come that much easy because this is a quadratic equation. For finding x value, two processes are there. One is factorization method, another one is direct formula. Okay, direct formula is there, factorization method is also there. For linear equation, x value only one value will be there. For quadratic equation, x has got two values. Okay, and let us see, let us compare this equation with standard equation. Standard equation is like this: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard equation. Then what is the standard formula for x? For standard formula for x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the standard formula for x. Rather than this formula, we also can do with factorization method. If factorization method doesn't work, then we go for this formula. Okay. See, x values are also going to be called as roots. In quadratic equation, roots of the quadratic equation. X is equal to minus b plus one value will come, minus b minus one value will come. Okay. Let us take some equation, then we go for values. Okay, we take one equation, 6x square plus 13x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, this is a quadratic equation. Let us compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to 6. Okay, comma b is equal to 13, comma c is equal to 5. We are doing first factorization method of finding roots for quadratic equation. Okay. For this factorization method, you have to multiply a and c. AC is equal to 6 into 5, that is equal to 30. Okay. For AC value, you have to take factors. See, 30 factors, how you are going to take? 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 4 into 7.5 will come, but don't take 7.5, half and all don't take. You take 5 into 6, 6 into 5 again. Okay, we can stop here. 1 into 30, 30, but 1 plus 30 or 1 minus 30 not equal to 13. Center digit x coefficient also should match. 2 into 5 for us. Now you see 3 into 10, 30. 3 plus 10, 13. Okay? We can take this. 5 into 6, 5 into 6, 30. 5 plus 6, 11. But we have got 13. Then what we do? We take 3 and 10. 3 and 10 we take. What we do? Okay. 6x square plus 3x plus 10x plus 5 is equal to 0. Like that we will split. Okay. Now you take some common. Common means here 6 and 10. 1x and 1x square you have to take. Common means if x square once you have taken means another x you have to take. 6 or 3 and 6 or 10, whatever it may be. But remaining also should match in bracket. Let us write, then you can understand. I take 2 and x also. Then 3 and x. Okay. Plus 10x. 5. X already there. But same bracket, whatever the expression has come, that you have to repeat here again. 3x plus 5. You have to repeat. Then you see 3x plus 5 is there, then plus 1. Okay. Now the values are, I am writing here. See, 3x plus 5 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. 3x is equal to minus 5. 2x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 5 by 3. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. I said 2 roots will come. 2 roots have come. Okay. This is a factorization method of finding real roots or roots of the quadratic equation or x values. Okay. We see this formula also and we compare. Okay. This formula I am going to write top. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Now I am going to take b as minus 13. Why? Because minus b is there. Plus or minus square root of b square. 13 square 169 minus 4ac. 4 into 6 into 5 by 2a. 2 into 6. Okay. Minus 13 plus or minus 169 minus 120. Why? Because 6 into 5, 30. 30 into 4, 120. 12. Okay. Then 49 minus 13 plus or minus 49 root by 12. That is equal to minus 13 plus or minus 7 by 12. Okay. Then minus 13 plus 7 by 12 or minus 13 minus 7 by 12. Minus 20 by 12 or minus 6. Why? Because 13 minus 7, 6. Minus 6 by 12. That means minus 4 5s, 4 3s. 4 5s are 4 3s are. And 6 12 2s. Minus 5 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Minus 5 by 3 minus 1 by 2. This is a formula based solution. Formula also you can take, factorization also you can make. As much as possible you go for factorization method. If factors are not coming or becoming complication, then you go for formula. Okay. This is finding the square roots of quadratic equation or finding the values of quadratic equation x. Okay. Then we go for some formula on algebra. Why? Because these formula also important for us. several. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a positive, b positive, all positive. Here a positive, b negative. That is why this is negative, but square is always positive. Okay. Then we go for a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. I am adding both. If I add a square plus a square, 2a square, b square plus b square, 2b square, plus 2ab minus 2ab, 0. That means a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to this will come. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square if I take. See, I have put comma here. This formula is this formula, both are different. Here also this formula both are different. Okay. See, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square means a square minus a square 0, b square minus b square 0, 2ab minus of minus 2ab, 2ab plus 2ab, then 4ab. Okay. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is also very important. And another one, a plus b plus c whole square we will see. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. All positive, all positive. Let us take two negatives. A minus b minus c whole square. Okay. A square b square plus c square. Why? Because they are all going to become positive. Okay. 2ab, ab minus is there, minus 2ab, bc, c minus into minus plus 2bc, 2ca, 1 minus 1 positive, minus 2ca. In this way, any formula you can make up to square. Okay. We go for cube also, and this cube I'm going to tell you why, because several times based on this cube formula, several problems are there for us. Okay, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. This is the formula. Okay, but direct formula won't come in exam. A cube plus b cube is equal to, okay, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This formula will come. If you do this calculation, automatically a cube plus b cube will come. A into a square a cube, b into b square b cube, both are positive. Minus a square b plus ab square, and okay, I am going to make it a cube plus ab square, okay, minus a square b plus a square b, because b minus ab square, okay, plus b cube. A plus ab square minus ab square plus a square b minus a square b. A cube plus b cube will be there. Based on this formula, several questions are going to come for our syllabus. That is why this formula is very, very important for us. This you have to keep in mind. And another one, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is also very, very important. If we observe, when a cube plus b cube is there, a plus b will come. When a cube minus b cube is there, a minus b will come. Inside, outside plus, inside minus, outside minus, inside plus. Like this, you have to remember. These two formulae are very, very important for us. Several questions are going to come. That is why I have written. Okay. Now, we will see how we are going to find the square root and cube root of numbers. Okay. Numbers. Square root, cube root. Okay, see, for finding square root or cube root, we go for factorization method. I am going to show you how factorization method is going to work for us. For square root, another process is there, long division method. That also we will see. Square root, if digit is smaller, number is smaller, you go for factorization. If digit is bigger and complicated for factorization, you go for long division. For cube root, there is no long division method. You must go for factorization method only. Okay, we will take one number 3375. First, let us find cube root. Cube root. 5 is there, that is why 5 you take. 5 6 are 30, 37, 5 7 are 35, 25, 5 5 are. Again 5 you take. 5 1s, 1 17, 5 3s are 15, 25, 5 5s are 25. Again you take with 5. 5 2s are 10, 35, 5 7s are 35. 3 you take. Minimum numbers you have to take. You should not take 9 or something. Why? Because see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Smallest numbers you have to take as factors. 5 is there, last digit, that is why I have taken 5. Okay? Or else you have to take less than 5. Okay. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Okay. I have completed. Now we write all factors. 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. We are finding cube root. Cube. That is why 3 digits you have to pair. Pairing of 3 digits. Then for each pair, see, while pairing, you should not pair 5 and 3. You have to pair 5 5 5, 3 3 3, 2 2 2, 7 7 7 like that. For each pair, you have to take one resultant digit. 5 means 3 5s means 1 5. 3 3s means 1 3. 15 is the answer for the cube root. That means you can write cube root of 3375 is equal to 15. This is answer. Okay. Now we see for square root also same process. This is factorization method. 1764. We do square root. Let us take 2 8s, 16, 2 8s, 2 2s, 2 4s, 2 4s, 2 1s. Okay. Now 4 plus 4, 8, 1, 9. 9 means 3. 3 can be divided. 3 1s, 14, 3 4s, 12, 21, 3 7s. 3 4s, 3 9s. 7 7s. Write all factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Here for cube root 3 numbers, 3 digits we have paired. Now you have to pair 2 square. 2 2 2. While pairing you should pair 2 and 2 only, not 2 and 3. 2 2, 3 3, 7 7, 5 5, like that you have to pair. For each pair resultant only one digit you have to take. 2 3 7 6 42. Okay, that means 1764 square root is equal to 42. This is answer. Cube root, square root by factorization method. Now we go for long division method. Square root for long division method. Long division method. Okay. Say 17,424. This is the number. We have to find the square root of this number. This is a big digit. Rather than factorization method, we will see long division method. See this number, first step, you have to pair two numbers, but not from left side but from right side. Pairing. Okay. One is there, you leave it, or two digits are there, means you have to pair again. Okay. Now first digit you multiply, you divide. But while dividing, you see what is that figure? 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 4 is bigger than 1. That is why you have to take 1 into 1, 1. 0. Next 2 digits you have to take down. That is why this pairing has been done. 2 digits if you take down, 74 has come. If here some number is there, means 2 is there, 274 will come, but now it is 0, that is why 74. This number has to be doubled. 1 into 2, 2. Doubling means multiply by 2. 1 into 2, 2. You write here 2. Now here, don't multiply 2. You have to multiply 21 into 1, 21 into 1, 22 into 2, 23 into 3. Like that you have to multiply. 21 into 21, 22 into 2, 44, 23 into 3, 69, 24 into 4, 96. 96 is bigger. Then you go for 23 into 3, 69. 5, 2, 4. Okay. Again you double this 13, 26. 261 into 1. 262 into 2. Okay. 262 into 2. 524. 263 into 3 is going to become, see, 200 is there, 3 means 600 will come, 500 is there. That is why logically you have to go for 2 only, up to 2. 262 into 2, 524. Now we can write 17,424 square root is equal to 132. This is the answer for this square root. Okay. With this, we have completed this algebra, basic algebra. Why? Because these are all I am refreshing your mind, basics. We go after this basic classes to direct chapter. Okay. And I recommend or request class 11, class 12 people, both students, to watch this. Why? Because I am planning to make such a video. Sets, okay, 11th sets will be completed. Then relations and functions, okay, that also will be completed. Afterwards, again I am going for 12th sets and relations. Again I will come back to class 11, like that. Why? Because the same syllabus or chapters are there, linked chapters are there. I am going to do parallelly 11th and 12th. Okay, don't worry, within a year I am planning to complete all the syllabus, and every video will be within half an hour or around half an hour I am going to make. Okay, very good, thank you.